Apply Pesti pesticides only when conditions are safe and you are fully prepared. Start by reading the label line by line and treat it as law because it contains the product's specific concentration, target pests, application rate, and reentry intervals. Always mix only the amount you need in a well-ventilated area using a dedicated measuring container and pour slowly to avoid splashes. Record the batch and concentration on a waterproof tag for larger jobs. Wear chemical-resistant gloves, long sleeves, long pants, and closed-toed shoes, and remove jewelry. Use eye protection and a properly fitted respirator if the label requires it or if you will be in a confined space. Do not spray on blooming plants or when bees are active, and avoid applications during wind above 5 miles per hour or when rain is expected in the next 24 hours to prevent drift and runoff. Limit exposure to people and pets by posting signs and keeping them out of treated areas for the time specified on the label, and store mixed or unused product in a locked, cool, dry location away from food and feed. After application, decontaminate equipment by triple rinsing containers and never pour rinsate into drains, storm sewers, or bodies of water. Dispose of rinsate according to label instructions and local hazardous waste rules. Wash treated clothing separately from household laundry and launder work clothes promptly to avoid residues transferring to family members. Common problems start with misreading or ignoring the label, which leads to incorrect rates and unnecessary exposure, so always read and follow every label direction and measure precisely. Drift and off-target movement often happen when people spray in breezy conditions or use the wrong nozzle, so wait for calm conditions, choose low-drift nozzles, and use coarse droplets for outdoor applications. Improper disposal and rinsate dumping contaminate waterways, so triple rinse containers, collect rinsate, and follow local disposal rules or take waste to a hazardous waste facility. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects involving pesticide application and property pest management, and we provide a discussion community where users and contractors share experiences, tips, and vendor recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing services and allowing them to join conversations and build credibility through community feedback.